The best kind of message is a message that sells itself, and that's what we're talking about in today's episode of the Daily Sales Message podcast, where every single day I share a piece of simple and actionable advice that's designed to help you feel more confident and sell more stuff too. Now, this is based around something which I call a logic chain. A logic chain where there's a logical causal set of events, and it's inarguable. It's inarguable. Whether I'm selling it to you or somebody else, it's inarguable. This is what's going to happen. And the prime example is a client of mine by the name of Scope Better. Scope Better have a pricing platform. It's a SaaS, software as a service, SaaS platform. And we were talking about, quote unquote, justifying the value of what they're doing and helping people to see the value quicker. And we came up with a 3-word logic chain that answers this perfectly. Now, if you imagine you're in a business, you've got multiple colleagues who are using spreadsheets and different systems for pricing things. Some people are miskeying things. Some people, the formulas aren't working. There's access issues, security issues, all sorts of things. But if somebody prices something incorrectly, it directly hits the profit in the business, because if I price something incorrectly and there's a new huge cost to the business because I hit a 7 instead of a 4, whatever it happens to be, then profit is affected. So we came up with this notion of pricing determines profit. What's the importance of pricing in the business? Well, it comes straight off your bottom line. If you get it wrong, pricing determines profit. That is a 3-word logic chain. Now, you don't have to buy from Scope Better to understand that that's the case, and it's inarguable. If you price something incorrectly, it will directly affect your profit. That's the problem that they're solving. So what you need to think about in your own business, for your own product, your own service, is the logical chain of events of something causes something to happen or something influences something. Doesn't have to be 3 words necessarily, but what's the logical turn of events? Like pricing determines profit, or messaging dictates confidence. So if you know what you're going to say, you'll feel more confident, and then confidence, accelerates the sale. So there can be multiple different chains of this, but it's a way of explaining how your offering works. It's not specific to your offering per se. This isn't about advertising your own offering. It's just about showing the logical causality of the true value of what you're up to, because pricing does determine profit after all. Right, so that's it for this episode of the podcast. Thank you for listening or watching all the way to the end. I'll catch you tomorrow for another exciting edition of the Daily Sales Message.